Hello, friends, family, acquaintances. I wanted to do another video going over a different type of insurance policy called guaranteed insurability. There are some people that may have questions about it, and they're just, they don't really know who to talk to in regards to if this policy will be a great fit for them. So let's just explain. Guaranteed insurability is for people with medical conditions or a history of medical conditions and hospitalizations that will make it difficult or impossible to get a standard life insurance policy. And the sad thing is that usually people with those types of medical issues are in the most need of a life insurance policy just because of the amount of curveballs that life has thrown their way. And the way these policies tend to work is that you usually have a payout between $1,000 to $10,000, some go up to $15,000, enough to cover the basic costs of the funeral. And with them, they usually have this caveat. And what the caveat says is if you were to pass away, and this all depends on the carrier, but let's say standard time frame could be anywhere from the first 1 to year 3 of the policy. If you were to pass away during years 1 through 3, then they won't pay out the full $10,000, but what they will do instead is give your family back the money that you paid in for the policy with some interest thrown in on top. So with some carriers, they could give you like an additional 10% on top of the premiums that you paid in so that you get more than what you put back into the policy. And that's really important. And then once you hit their checkpoint, whether it's a year, 2 years, or 3 years, then after that, your family will get the full payout of the policy. Another great feature of these policies is that you can't be turned down. You just can't be turned down. It's a guaranteed yes. And in a world where most of the time you hear no's, sometimes just knowing that you have a guaranteed yes is a really good peace of mind. With those types of policies, because of the payout and what it's designed to do, I usually try to pair it with a program where your family could get your funeral costs and everything out paid for in advance for around $3,000, so that if you end up doing like a $5,000 policy, $6,000, $10,000, then there's just a little bit something extra for the family to take care of, after you were to pass away, so that the full chunk of the policy doesn't go towards the funeral home. At least you're able to get a little bit of something to your surviving family. And that's really the point of life insurance, right? To not, just have it go towards others, to go to the people you love most. So if you have any questions, definitely reach out. I do work with, like I said, multiple carriers in Connecticut, North Carolina, of course, South Carolina, Virginia. So thanks for listening to this quick little video on guaranteed insurability. I hope you found the information helpful, and may you have a very blessed day. Thanks.